Hello and welcome to InfoComm 2026. I'm Ricardo from OnSign, and here we're very excited to show you something that I think is very unique. There you have a Brighton player, and we're using the player NPU, so this is a neural processing unit, to do local AI analysis. So on this player we have multiple models running, and I'm going to use my phone here to trigger a specific content. This content has, so it's a video, and you're going to see a black screen. So this black screen is being placed there on purpose. And we're using the AI running on the player level to detect that something is wrong with this device. So you're going to see in a second, you got a pop-up saying, hey, a black screen has been detected. And it's not just detecting locally, so we can trigger a fallback content so that your audience is not hurt, but some content that was not supposed to be there. In addition to this pop-up, of course the pop-up we are showing just, to make it fun, and so you see it's interactive. The network administrators will also get an alert, a warning, say, hey, take a look at your content because there's something wrong there. A black screen has just showed up. In addition to black screens, we can detect things like a frozen frame. So here we have another video running. I just triggered another demo. And all of a sudden something happened. Of course, this is on purpose just for the demo. And as this freeze is there, the AI is making the analysis, and then again, we have the pop-up saying, a frozen frame has been detected, or we can do a wrong aspect ratio detected. And all this is being sent to the server in real time so that administrators can take measures and fix it. So I hope you like it. If you want to see more, just come to our website, onsign.tv.